We will now see how YouTube advertising can help businesses. YouTube advertising not only drives branding but will also help in driving conversations for the business. A few reasons why businesses should try YouTube advertising. YouTube as a platform has billions of views per month, and it is one of the second most large search engine that provides you with large volume of audience who your businesses can be advertised to. Certain YouTube ads like the in-stream ads or in-display ads are available at very low cost, and hence they prove to be a good deal for generating brand awareness with the audience. It also helps in sales. As per my experience, YouTube ads can generate sales for you at very cost-effective prices. These ads are even better than the most widely used channels like Facebook ads or standard Google AdWords. One of the key benefits that a business could get is the saturation point with the audience here is lower. There are various scalable channels which tend to get saturated very quickly, but YouTube as a medium has a very low saturation point, which means that the cost can probably go up in a year or two for this channel because it is the most important channel for businesses these days. Hence, the time to go and use YouTube ads to promote your business is now. This was just a short overview about YouTube as a platform and how YouTube advertising could help businesses. We shall study in detail about YouTube for businesses, YouTube advertising, etc. in much detailed format in the next module, which is dedicated specifically to YouTube marketing.